Yeah, good day. Today we'll be looking at ZKT exit access control system. So right now, as you can see, we have the device, the ZK system, we have the exit button, and we have a magnetic lock. So right now, let's start from the board to analyze the connection, the connectivity of the cable. So if you check the cable behind the ZK product, you realize you have 12 volts, ground boards. This is the button, then ground, sensor, normal open one, common one, normal closed one, and others. So to connect this, we have the power supply here that supplies 12 volts DC output. We have the exit button, and this is a magnetic lock. So starting from the power supply, ensure you do your connection in this way, and you can be sure that everything will go on smoothly. So from the positive of the power supply, you can see it's going straight to the positive of the access control. Then you now bridge the positive of the access control to the COM1 of the access control. With that, it will be able to send signal from COM1 to normal close 1 with this connection, because between here is like a switching. So then the negative of it, you connect the negative to the ground. So then the negative of the power supply comes to the negative of the exit button. Then the magnetic lock now. The magnetic lock, the positive of it comes to the normal close 1 of the access control, while the negative side of it comes to the ground of the access control. So take time, look at this diagram very well. If you can do your connection using this simple diagram, you can be rest assured that you have a good connection. So after this, now we now look at the practical analysis. If you can see from here now, these are magnetic lock. You can see white or green and green. It's connected. There is it. If you count the button from here, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sorry, this is green. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You can see it's connected to the yellow port of the access control. If you check it, you still have the same color arrangement in all the devices. So just follow the procedure, count the numbers, follow the diagram, and you can be rest assured that you have a good output at the end of the day. The key thing is for you to know the wiring. Once the wiring is done perfectly, you can be certain that you have a good output. The exit button is also connected according to the diagram shown above. So if you press this now, you can see the light is off, meaning it has opened already. So you can see it's working perfectly well. So at this point, I'll need to say thank you very much for watching my video, and subscribe to our channel for more video. Thank you.